Welcome to today's session. Let's start our session with laughing. Now, let's do 3 random gratitude for. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Thank you, universe, for giving me. Now take a sip of water. Take a deep breath, inhale for 4 seconds. Hold. Slowly exhale through your mouth for 4 seconds. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Release. Let's release our blocks from body, mind and soul through tapping. Take your left hand gently with your right hand. This is one of the meridian point. We are tapping gently. And repeat after me. Thank you, universe. I love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for whatever emotions I am going through. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. I take 100% responsibility for all the situations happening in my life in the past till now. I still love myself exactly the way I am right now. Even though knowingly, unknowingly, good or bad, positive or negative, physically or emotionally, all these emotions of happiness, sadness, guilty, anxiety, powerful, appreciation, love, all these emotions are inside me. In different situations, these emotions comes to me. Knowingly, unknowingly, I'm not aware of these emotions and blaming instead of taking responsibility. Am I asking questions when everything is happening the way I want? Happiness. Am I asking why am I happy today? Then why am I asking or blaming somebody, some situation when things does not go according to me? I am good, I am bad. Both are inside me. So whenever I want that emotion, I can bring it out. Instead of taking responsibility for that situation, what caused that situation to feel this emotion inside me? Starting taking responsibility instead blaming things. Everything is inside me is my manifestation. I have the capacity to make myself happy in all times. But I am a soul, amazing soul, here want to experience. If I don't experience any bad emotion, bad situation, I don't see the emotion when happiness comes. So both are inside me. Unknowingly, the blocks are created inside me. Fear, anxiety, depression, all these are emotions. Enjoy, joy, love, happiness, innocence are also inside me. There is a child inside me wants to know things. The child does not know whether it is a good or bad. But I'm forgetting, I'm telling myself that I'm not a child anymore. I'm an adult. I cannot deal with this. But it is not true. There is a child, it doesn't matter what age I am. There is always a child inside me. Unknowingly, these blocks created in body, mind and soul, I am releasing right now. All blocks from all cells in this body. I am everything. Everything is inside me. The universe, God, is inside me. I need to believe in it. Unknowingly created these blocks, releasing from body, mind and soul, which is stopping me from growing in health, relationships, career and financially. Blocking in my mind, in my words, and letting go all those blocks from body, mind and soul. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Release. Now let's sit in a comfortable position for next 15 minutes. You can sit wherever comfortable, on the chair, on the floor. You can take support of your back. Close your eyes. Relax your head. Relax your face. Relax your neck. Relax your shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax your hands. Relax your waist. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your calves. Relax your feet. Relax each and every cell in this body, every organ in this body. Observe your natural breath. Slowly the thoughts disappears as you observing your natural breath. Those who want to continue in this state, they can continue. Those who want to come out of this state, slowly be aware of your surroundings, aware of your body. Rub your palms together. Place it on your eyes, face, all over your body. Slowly open your eyes. In one word, take a notebook, write it down, or on the comment section, write it down how you felt before going to sleep. Write down all your emotions, the time you wake up, the time you went to sleep. What emotions you love, what emotions bothered you, made you uncomfortable. The more you are aware of your emotions, the more you start experiencing bliss. Thank you for today's session. See you next session.